Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about replacing the air filter on a 2007 Jeep Compass, and this has the 2.4 liter engine, and this should be the same as the Dodge Caliber. There may be some other ones that use a similar setup. So we have the air cleaner back here. First we need to remove this thing, the shroud. We could potentially leave it on, but this all needs to be kind of cleaned, so set that aside. And then you can kind of pry this apart, but I'm going to take this off here. This is an 8mm or 5/16 bolt. So pull that off, and you can pull this tube off here, and then flip these little switches, and we should be able to get this out of here. Okay, you want to make sure this is all pretty clean. This is going into the engine. It's relatively clean. And we'll take this side out, and then you can kind of clean in there too. That's past filter, but yeah, you can see this filter is pretty dirty. So, get the new filter here. Okay, so if you look on here, you have these tabs. I want to set these tabs down in the slots here, because that's going to press this tight to seal it. Okay, clips on there. Got to hook this tube back up on the back. It's a good time to check these tubes. If they're cracked or anything, you can always replace them. This will go back on. And we'll tighten it down. So when you're looking at this, you want to make sure this gap is pretty even. If this is wider at the bottom, it means you didn't get it in the tabs down there. And we'll stick this piece back on. And we tighten these here. Okay, that's replacing the air filter on 2007 Jeep Compass. And I'll put a link in the description of this air filter, and if you buy using that link, it helps me out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything extra. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.